warm welcome to everyone. As a part of FFO project, we are here to make you aware of our state's rich heritage. Today we have gathered not just to enjoy music but to celebrate a milestone, the unification of Karnataka. Before 1956, Karnataka was divided, but the relentless efforts of our leaders and the love of Kannadigas, of their language and culture, brought us together as one state. Music like unity connects hearts beyond boundaries. Today, through soulful melodies, we pay tribute to Kannada's rich heritage and the spirit of togetherness. Let us celebrate Karnataka, its unity, and its vibrant colors through the magic of music. ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಇರು ಎಂತಾದರೂ ಇರು ಎಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ ನೀ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಗಿರು. ಲೆಟ್ ದ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಬಿಗಿನ್.
ಅಮರ ಶ್ರೀಗಂಧದ ಮರ ನೀ ಕುಡಿಯುವ ನೀ ಕಾವೇರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಇರು ಎಂತಾದರೂ ಇರು ಎಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ ನೀ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಗಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೋವಿನ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿನ ಕನ್ನಡ ತನವಂತಿದ್ದರೆ ನೀ ನಮಗೆ ತನ್ನರು ಬಾರಿಸು ಕನ್ನಡ ಡಿಂಡಿಮವ ಓ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಹೃದಯ ಶಿವ ಬಾರಿಸು ಕನ್ನಡ ಡಿಂಡಿಮವ ಓ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಹೃದಯ ಶಿವ ಬಾರಿಸು ಕನ್ನಡ ಡಿಂಡಿಮವ ಓ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಹೃದಯ ಶಿವ ಬಾರಿಸು ಕನ್ನಡ ಡಿಂಡಿಮವ ಓ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಹೃದಯ ಶಿವ
So I am so proud of this class and of course Sunita ma'am for coming up with such beautiful presentation of a project, unification of Karnataka. Wherever we are, one thing that we can always say is thank you for the people who made this place. And what we should do is behave, create memories, leave a legacy in such a way that other people say thank you to us. That's how each day we can live. Very well sung, very well coordinated, such beautiful expression, and thank you for inspiring all of us to appreciate the Nadu, the Karunadu where we are. Thank you so much. Thank you.
This was a part of FA4 project. The topic was unification of Karnataka. So they had an intention of doing a project very differently, where they wanted to sing a song for as a tribute to Karnataka's cultural heritage, and a few others who have not participated in singing. They made all the 30 districts of Karnataka and they unified the whole Karnataka in their own class. So this was a small activity on behalf of 7A and 7B.